Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to log into your Telegram account but you do not have an email or a phone number on which you can get the verification code. Now of course you need an email or a phone number on which you can get a verification code, which then allows you to log into your Telegram account. So the only way that you can log in is if you have your same Telegram account or another Telegram account on the same phone number somewhere else. It could be an old device, it could be on your laptop, and etc. So this is the only condition for this. If you have a Telegram account on the same phone number, only then you'll be able to log in using a new Telegram device. So this is a new device. So what we're going to do is we'll just click on start messaging, just allow that prompt, and now you will enter the same phone number that you have on another Telegram account of which you have access. So you will just choose a country from here, and then you will just add your phone number from here. And after that, what you can simply do is you will just press on the continue option, and after you press on the continue option, it will ask you for a verification code. That verification code will go to your other account messages. You'll have to open your other Telegram account with the same phone number, and you will attach that verification code over here. And after that, you will be successfully logged into your Telegram account. Now, if you don't have another Telegram account, unfortunately, you won't be able to log in, or you can contact Telegram customer support and they'll be able to sort something out for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.